Hello children, have you seen this picture? What is this? Yeah, this is robot. Robots save workers from performing dangerous tasks. They can work in hazardous conditions such as poor lighting, toxic chemicals, or tight spaces. They are capable of lifting heavy loads without injury or tiring. Robots increase worker safety by preventing accidents since humans are not performing risky jobs. So the robots is very helpful to human beings. Nowadays, robots also stepped in to help Chinese. Hospitals cope with coronavirus, checking visitors' temperature, delivering food and medicine, keeping isolated wards clean, and even offering a little entertainment. Medical robots can go where human doctors cannot and process information much faster. Are you eager to see robots?
Hello.
Hello now.
Wow, what is that thing lying on the ground? Hello now 75. Hello now 41. Have you seen my Roberta? I don't know, I am sorry.
Ouch! Sorry.
I am okay. I suppose I should get up. That's better. Goodbye. See you soon.
Hi children, good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe at home. Can you guess children? Yes, today's topic is robots. Do you know about robots? What is robot? A machine resembling a human being and able to replicate certain human movements and functions automatically. Currently, the role of robots is to take over the hard and dangerous jobs. They also take over for jobs that are repetitive and require great precision on work. Even with shaky hands, a big fields for robots in medicine or prosthesis and rehabilitation. The word robota means literally curvy, self-labor, and figuratively drudgery or hard work. In Czech and also work labor in many Slavic languages, example Bulgarian, Russian and Serbian, etc. We use the word robot today to mean any man-made machine that can perform work or other actions normally performed by humans, either automatically or by remote control. Robotics is the science and study of robots. Science Robotics is the newest journal to join the science family of journals. What is a robot made of? For robots, aluminium and steel are the most common metals. Aluminium is a softer metal and is therefore easier to work with, but steel is several times stronger. In any case, because of the inherent strength of metal, robot bodies can be made using sheet, bar, rod, channel and other shapes. How are robots being used today? Robots are now being used in a customer service capacity in retail stores and hotels around the world. Most of these robots leverage our natural language processing abilities to interact with customers in a more human way. Often, the more these systems can interact with humans, the more they learn. We are going to see a bipedal humanoid robot. A humanoid robot is a robot with its body shape built to resemble the human body. In general, the humanoid robots have a torso, a head, 2 arms and 2 legs. Though some forms of humanoid robots may model only part of the body, for example, from the waist up. Robots are automatic machines. Some robots can perform mechanical and repetitive jobs faster, more accurately than people. Robots can also handle dangerous materials and explore distant planets. The term comes from the Czech word robota means, already we have discussed, forced labor. Robotics is the science and study of, very good children, robots. Currently, the role of robots is to take over the hard and dangerous job. What can robots do? Robots are force multipliers, dramatically transforming, that means saving, the construction and manufacturing industries. Robots is very helpful to construction and manufacturing field. They can lift heavy objects more quickly and safely, repeatedly tighten bolts to the optimal torque and work with no brakes, all while filling a shrinking workforce in these industries. Why robots are important? Robots has the potential to positively transform lives and work practices, raise efficiency and safety levels and provide enhanced levels of service. Without robotics, many of Europe's successful manufacturing industries would not be able to compete from their current European basis of operations. So, robot is necessary in the modern world. The quadrupedal military robot. This sense involves multiple senses, including touch and your body's internal balancing mechanisms. Robots have many sensors that compare to this ability. Gyroscopes and accelerometers detect movement and speed, air pressure. Sensors and other touch sensors allow robots to position themselves for different tasks. Robots can sense and respond to their surroundings. They can handle delicate objects or apply great force, for example, to perform eye operations guided by human surgeon, or to assemble a car with artificial intelligence. Robot will also be able to make decisions for themselves like human beings. Artificial intelligence. Robotics and artificial intelligence is a general term that implies the use of computer to model and or replicate intelligent behavior. Research in art focuses on the development and analysis of algorithms that learn and or perform intelligent behavior with minimal human intervention. Artificial intelligence attempts to create computer programs that think like human brains. Artificial intelligence attempts to create computer programs that think like human brains. Current research has not achieved this, but some computers can be programmed to recognize face in a crowd. Robots in manufacturing help to create jobs by reshoring more manufacturing work. Robots protect workers from repetitive, mundane and dangerous tasks, while also creating more desirable jobs such as engineering, programming, management and equipment maintenance. Can robots think like human beings? Yes. It's a powerful technology, but it should be handled with care. It is a powerful technology, but it should be handled with care. The researchers are now exploring whether robots can model not just their own bodies, but also their own minds. Whether robots can think about thinking. Story source: materials provided by Columbia University School of Engineering and Applied Science. Can robots think? Articulated welding robots industrial. Robots can think. They can play complex games such as chess better than human beings. But will a robot ever know that is thinking? Human or conscious? We know we are thinking, but we don't know how consciousness works. We don't know if robots can ever be conscious. Nanorobotics. Nanorobots or nanorobots are robots scaled down the microscopic size in order to put them into very small spaces to perform a function. Future nanorobots could be placed in the blood stream to perform surgical procedures that are too delicate or too difficult for standard surgery. Imagine if a nanobot could target cancer cells and destroy them without touching healthy cells nearby. So the robot is very helpful to the medicine field also. Nanorobotics is the technology of creating machines or robots at or close to the scale of a nanometer 10 to 9 meters. More specifically, nanorobotics refers to the still largely theoretical nanotechnology engineering discipline of designing and building nanorobotics. Color coordinated in blue and white, a team of 7 robots serves as waiters at Chennai's first robot restaurant. The robots costing rupees 5 lakh each first welcome the guest warmly and then bring meals and exotic drinks to the table. The staff members at the hotel have been trained to operate the robots. Robots in educational field help the students to develop teamwork and cooperative skills. When kids work on a robotic project, they need to work in a group or a team, as one can good in programming skill, but other parameters such as engineering, technology and sensors are also important for building a robot. Unique knowledge and skills. The field of robotics is quite unlike any other field. It brings together a number of different disciplines including engineering, computing and artificial intelligence. Using ideas from all of these different fields, robotics is able to offer novel solutions to problems. Robots perform surgeries. Robotic surgery or robot-assisted surgery allows doctors to perform many types of complex procedures with more precision, flexibility and control than is possible with conventional techniques. Robotic surgery is usually associated with minimally invasive surgery procedures performed through the tiny incisions. Robot in medicine help by relieving medical personnel from the routine task. Robots in medicine help by relieving medical personnel from routine tasks, then take their time away from more pressing responsibilities, and by making medical procedures safer and less costly for patients. They can also perform accurate surgery in tiny places and transport dangerous substances. Okay, children, have you enjoyed this class? Okay, children, thank you.